Is Bitplam a scam or a legit business opportunity? Does the thought of making 4 to 5% guaranteed income on your investment sound attractive? If so, then you probably might be considering signing up to the Bitplam cryptocurrency business opportunity. There are a lot of these cryptocurrencies that are cropping up on the internet, and a lot of them actually turn out to be scams. Is Bitplam one such scam? Well, this video is going to show you exactly what is going on here so that at the end you will be able to make an informed decision. Hi there, my name is Rupesh and I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to this video. If it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business, because that is what this channel is all about. And if you want to check out my number one recommendation to building a solid online business, then please feel free to click on a link that is directly below this video. Alright, so before we get into the detailed review, let's check out what the Bitplam website is all about. Here's it, bitplam.com, and welcome to bitplam.com. Easy to use asset management system with impressive daily profits. We will multiply your funds, and when managing our users' funds, we make several dozen transactions a day to ensure guaranteed profits of 4% to 5%. Our live statistics, 152 days the site is online. This is how much dollars they've received in active deposits, and this is how much withdrawals have taken place so far on the platform. And then they have a referral program as well, and then they have some investment plans, which I will get more into detail later on. So this is the main site of Bitplam. Alright, so now what exactly is the Bitplam company all about? The company started back in August 2021, so it's relatively new. It's been less than a year that the company is in operation. And as I've read to you earlier on, it started off by a group of traders who have expertise within the cryptocurrency investment field, and they decided to bring this experience to the forefront and create this private listed company called Bitplam. And the main purpose of the site is to offer anyone who joins a company 4 to 5% a return on their investments. And at the time of making this video, the company does not offer any physical products from which its members can make a profit or earn any retail commissions from. How do you join the Bitplam company? Membership is actually free. All you need is a valid email address, and then you naturally have to create your very own username and password, and you're good to go. So here I am in the members area, and I want to show you quickly how basic and straightforward it is. The first area you'll have is your dashboard area. This will show you all your balances thus far, whatever deposits you made, and whatever earnings you have made thus far. I recently joined, so I haven't done anything yet. Then you can make a deposit. This is where you can choose to transfer money into the account and open up a plan. Then you can even withdraw funds. Then you have access to their referral program, and this just basically tells you your history, and that's the main areas within the Bitplam membership area. Right, now, how do you actually make money with Bitplam? As a Bitplam member, you can make money by two ways. The first way is by investing your money. You can start with a minimum investment of $25 and you can invest it in one of two plans, either the light plan or the plus plan. With the light plan, according to the founders or the traders, you can earn a 4% return for a period of 30 days, whereas on the plus plan, you can earn a 5% return on your investment for a period of 40 days. And when you invest in your money, they have 15 different payment methods, payment systems in which you can invest your money: Perfect Money, ePay, and various other cryptocurrency methods. And then the second way in which you can earn money is via their referral program. Now, their referral program simply works on 3 levels deep, and this is where you can earn on any deposits that are made from people who join your downline. Now, the people who are on your first line, this is your direct referrals. you can earn 5% on whatever deposits they made. And then on the second level, this is your first line of indirect referrals, you can earn a 2% commission. And then on the third level, this is the second line of your indirect referrals. This is where you can earn a 1% commission on anyone who makes deposits. Now, thus far, it sounds pretty straightforward. It actually sounds like it's very easy to make money. But the big question here is, are people happy with using the Bitplam service? Let's take a look at some of the testimonials. Okay, so are people very happy with using the Bitplam service? I could not find any testimonials on the official Bitplam website, so I went to go check out trustpilot.com, and on that website they scored a 1.9 out of 5 stars, and there's about 125 reviews. And let's just go through some of them. Not legit. I do not recommend. Try this instead. Bitplam is just another scamming. It is a scam. Looks like the part, but it is not. You will not be able to get your money back. Withdrawal has been pending now for weeks. How can we get back at this company? Don't be fooled. I have neatly adhered to their rules. This is not a company I can ever recommend to anyone, as they are not true to their words, and this is the greatest scams. Okay, someone's swearing there. Scam pieces of, okay. Good evening, Bitplam team, especially Thomas. Okay, this guy got some colorful language, but you get the point now. But I want to show you something else. If you go back to the official website, and here we are at the official website, and if you scroll down all the way to the end, you can get to the Facebook page. And I want to show you when we're at the Facebook page, here as well, the reviews were really not good. They scored a 1.8 stars. There was 38 reviews. This gentleman at the bottom said, that's it guys, I think Bitplam is over, and didn't even tell us. Currently you can deposit, but you can't withdraw anymore. And there are 35 comments on that one thread. It is very sad. I invested the money for my daughter's chemotherapy to grow it, and they kept my money. I not only lost my money, I will also lose my daughter. That's kind of tragic. I have withdrawn my deposits. Why are they not sending my money? How do I withdraw the money? Can anyone help? How long does it take to process the withdrawal? And it carries on and on and on. And if you go further up and you click on reviews, here you'll be able to see even more reviews and how people feel about being a member of the company. Doesn't recommend. I lost a personal investment of $50,000 scams like these. Okay, this guy is promoting something else here. They are clear thieves, total scammers. I sent my winnings to the wallet, they deducted a charge, and still haven't credited me, and so forth. So bottom line is that people are not very happy with Bitplam. And to summarize, some of the complaints of people were withdrawals were not being processed. Some of them have been overcharged when it comes through withdrawal fees. There's little or no support, and most importantly, some people's accounts have been blocked off just like that after having invested. So now, is Bitplam a scam? Before we get to the verdict, let's talk about some of the red flags about this business opportunity. Okay, so the first red flag is that there's no owner transparencies. You have no idea who the owners or the founders of Bitplam are. They say there's a bunch of traders that have shared their expertise. You don't even have an inkling of who they are. The second red flag is what I wrote on my website, is that there are no member testimonials. So now, according to the official website, after 22 days of launching the business, they had 6,100 plus users. Now, this was back last year sometime. But the total number of active deposits reached $2.4 million. And the company stated that they paid out 306, I think that's an error. Yeah, 316,000 in earnings and returns. But yet there's not one member who shared their testimonial and said, you know what, the company really have paid him out. And then the third the third red flag is the discrepancy in their profit calculator. In fact, it's not really a discrepancy. I think it's an error on their part, but I would consider it as a red flag. I want to show you something. If you are on the light plan, you will naturally earn 4% daily for 30 days. And if you click on the profit calculator for $25, right, if your daily profit on that plan would be $1, because that works out to 4%, so naturally that would be $30 profit, and your total return would be $55. But the funny part is when you click on the plus plan option, and when you check out the profit calculator, they give you the exact same answers. So like I said, this might not be that big of a red flag, but it does show you how seriously they are of really wanting to pay out their members. Is Bitplam a Ponzi scheme? Now let's quickly take a look at a Wikipedia definition of a Ponzi scheme. A Ponzi scheme is a form of fraud that lures investors and pays profits to earlier investors with funds from the more recent investors. The scheme leads victims to believe that profits are coming from legitimate business activity and that they remain unaware that other investors are the source of the funds. If you look at Bitplam carefully, you will notice that, like I said earlier on, there are no physical products. So therefore, the only money that's coming into the business is through the sale of membership packages. And if members stop investing in the business, then eventually people will not get paid and the scheme can collapse. So from this point of view, it does fall into the description of a Ponzi. However, if you also notice that they have another way in which people can make money without having to recruit and without having people to invest necessarily, and that's via the two investment plans. So they sort of have disguised the whole Ponzi thing that's going on. So is Bitplan a scam? Well, there's no owner transparency. They also have no proof to show that they've paid anybody out or that they have any happy customers. They learn on people's emotions that it's easy to make money online. All you have to do is just invest and you can make quick profits. And this is simply not the case when it comes to making money online. Basically, there are so much more questions than answers here, and I personally would not recommend the Bitplan crypto multi-level marketing business to anybody. And that concludes my review of the Bitplan cryptocurrency business. I hope now that it is giving you enough information to make an informed decision. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that we can chat in my next video. And if you are looking to start your very own online business, even though you don't know where to get started or you're a complete newbie to making money online, then check out my #1 recommendation. Just click on the link that is directly below the video to see what it's all about. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will chat to you in my next video. Wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.